What if I told you that the banana peel you tossed in the trash this morning actually contains more potassium than many store-bought fertilizers? It's true, and if you're gardening without it, you're missing out on one of nature's simplest soil boosters. In this video, we'll explore 3 powerful ways to turn banana peels into plant food: burying them raw, making a gentle banana peel tea, and even fermenting them to create a nutrient-packed soil tonic. You'll learn how each method works, which one is right for your garden, and how to apply them without attracting pests or causing rot. No complicated composting, no special equipment, just smart, natural gardening. So if your soil is feeling tired, your flowers aren't blooming like they used to, or your vegetables seem a little slow, don't spend more at the garden center just yet. Stick with me, and I'll show you how to get healthier plants and richer soil using something that's probably already in your kitchen right now. Let's turn your banana peels into garden gold. For something most of us toss in the trash without a second thought, banana peels are surprisingly powerful in the garden. They're packed with essential nutrients: potassium, phosphorus, calcium, and magnesium that plants absolutely thrive on. Potassium helps regulate water balance in plant cells and is crucial for strong stems and disease resistance. Phosphorus supports root growth and flower development, while calcium strengthens cell walls, helping plants grow upright and healthy. Magnesium is a key component of chlorophyll, which keeps leaves green and photosynthesis humming along. What's especially appealing about banana peels is that they don't contain harsh chemicals or synthetic ingredients. Instead, they break down slowly in the soil, releasing their nutrients over time, making them a gentle, natural alternative to commercial fertilizers. There's no risk of burning your plants, and no need for measuring scoops or rubber gloves. This makes banana peels a great solution for gardeners who want something low effort but high impact. For older gardeners, or anyone looking to simplify their routine, banana peels offer a way to enrich soil naturally, using something you already have on hand. And the best part? You don't need a compost bin or big backyard to take advantage of them. In the next section, we'll look at how to bury raw banana peels directly into your garden beds, the easiest method of all. Method 1. Raw banana peel. One of the simplest ways to use banana peels in your garden is to bury them raw. No prep, no soaking, just dig and drop. But there's a right way to do it if you want the best results and to avoid attracting unwanted guests. Start by cutting the peel into small strips. This helps it break down faster and distribute nutrients more evenly. Then, dig a hole 4 to 6 inches deep near your plant's root zone, but not directly against the stem. Bury the peel pieces and cover them well with soil. This depth keeps pests away and allows microbes and earthworms to get to work without interfering with plant roots. Over the next few weeks, the peel will slowly decompose, releasing potassium and other nutrients into the surrounding soil. You might not see dramatic changes right away, but plants fed this way often show stronger roots, greener leaves, and more blooms over time, especially in flowers, tomatoes, peppers, and roses. That said, raw banana peels take time to break down, especially in cooler or drier climates. And if you bury too many too close to the surface, you might invite ants, gnats, or even raccoons. So go light. 1 peel per plant, spaced out across your bed, is plenty. This method is perfect for long-term beds, perennials, shrubs, and fruit trees, anywhere you're not planning to dig again soon. Think of it like slow-release fertilizer from nature. And once you've seen the difference it makes, you'll think twice before tossing that peel in the trash again. Method 2. Banana peel tea. If you're looking for a quicker way to deliver banana peel nutrients to your plants, banana peel tea is a gentle, effective solution that's as easy as making a pot of herbal tea, just for your garden. Start by chopping 1 or 2 banana peels into small pieces and placing them in a container or mason jar. Add 4 to 6 cups of water, then cover loosely and let it sit at room temperature for 3 to 5 days. During this time, minerals like potassium, phosphorus, and calcium will slowly leach into the water. Once ready, strain out the peel pieces, which you can toss into the compost or bury in the soil later. The liquid you're left with is your banana tea, rich in plant-available nutrients. Dilute it 1:1 with water and pour it gently around the base of your plants. You can also use a spray bottle to apply it, as a foliar spray, especially useful for leafy greens and flowering plants. Banana tea is a favorite among gardeners for houseplants, raised beds, vegetables, and flowering annuals. It delivers nutrients quickly without overwhelming your soil or roots, making it perfect for regular use. And because it doesn't involve fermenting or strong decomposition, it's odor-free and pest-resistant, ideal for small spaces and indoor gardens. Used every 2 to 3 weeks, banana peel tea gives your plants a subtle but steady boost, helping them flower, fruit, and grow stronger over time. It's a simple way to reuse kitchen scraps and care for your garden, cup by cup. Method 3. Fermented banana peels. For a deeper, more biologically active option, fermented banana peels offer both nutrition and a boost of beneficial microbes that enrich the soil. Think of it like yogurt or sauerkraut, but for your garden. To make it, you'll need 1 to 2 banana peels, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 2 to 3 cups of water. Chop the peels into small pieces. Mix everything in a glass jar or container and cover loosely. Let it sit in a warm, dark place for 7 to 14 days, stirring every few days. You'll notice bubbles and a slightly sour, fruity smell. That means the good microbes are at work. The result is a liquid that acts as both a mild fertilizer and a microbial inoculant. Before applying, strain out the solids and dilute the liquid. 1 part fermented banana solution to 5 to 10 parts water. Pour around the base of plants, or add it to your compost pile to encourage microbial activity. Fermentation not only preserves the nutrients, but also introduces lactic acid bacteria and other beneficial microbes that help break down organic matter, improve soil texture, and even boost plant immunity against some soil-borne diseases. This method is especially helpful for gardeners working with tired, depleted, or compacted soil. It helps restore balance naturally and improves water retention, nutrient uptake, and microbial diversity. Store any unused portion in the fridge for up to a week and never seal the jar tightly during fermentation. Gases need space to escape. Though it takes a little patience, fermented banana peels give your garden long-lasting benefits with just a few scraps, a little sugar, and some time. And how to use each method. Each banana peel method fits a unique role in your gardening calendar. Use raw banana peels in early spring or fall when you're preparing beds for long-term crops like roses, perennials, or fruit trees. As they slowly break down, they enrich the soil over weeks and months. Reach for banana peel tea during the flowering and fruiting phases, like when your tomatoes, peppers, or marigolds are in full bloom. It delivers a quick potassium boost just when your plants need it most. And for year-round microbial support, try the fermented banana peel solution. Apply it monthly to help tired soil recover, improve texture, and strengthen plant resilience, especially useful in mid-season or before planting leafy greens. By rotating these methods through your gardening cycle, you'll create a healthy, living soil system that feeds itself naturally and rewards you with beautiful, thriving plants. It's easy to overlook banana peels as waste, but in reality, they're one of the most accessible, affordable, and effective tools you can use to nourish your garden naturally. Whether you bury them raw, brew them into tea, or ferment them into a microbial tonic, banana peels offer real, measurable benefits to soil health, plant strength, and garden vitality. No chemicals, no big expense, just the power of nature doing what it does best. So before you toss your next peel, pause. Your soil might be begging for it. Try just one method this week. You might be surprised at what a difference it makes. Because sometimes what we throw away is exactly what our garden needs to come alive. Next time, we'll show you how to take another kitchen cast-off, use coffee grounds, and turn them into a rich, targeted fertilizer for acid-loving plants like blueberries, azaleas, and hydrangeas.